Game.
Hi guys,
Mm.
yan na kay 10 a.m. 10 p.m. Time check. It's Sunday and guys, baka din nakamoy, nakapagkulat. Nag-enjoy kita kasi. Let's open our heart. Let's be ready. Prepared kita para mag-worship kan God.
Yes. Tapos.
Tapos ano?
Wari. Kwan lang mga.
Tapos, may nagyat na on Wednesday and prayer night. Invited ka punta na tayo ko pa kaabot pag dapat ka.
Mm. Let's go. Ngel. Hinin bago men, hinin bago.
Dito tiya bago.
Hinin bago.
Dito tiya bago.
Dito bago. Hinin bago.
Amo itong basketball.
Liwat.
Welcome to CHP Church. So we are here, we are gathered. In a few minutes we will start our church service this Sunday. This is a fun and it's a wonderful day for people to come to church. And as you can see, there are people right there. They are the church member of CHP Church. So if you are going to church with us, you are free and you are, yeah.
Yeah. Bago lagi niya bago. Ngel. Bago niya bago. Memories. Uy, bago gyapon niya bago. Naawod. Baguin. Baguin niya bago.
Amo yung takayong guys.
Bago tiya bago. Ha? Bago tiya bago. Baguin niya bago. Focus kin yan. Wala ka. For memories din. Sabi na yun. Tawaray ka na ako music.